Hello, work and family. Look, listen, repeat. Verbs. Live. I live in a house. I live, you live, they live. He lives, she lives, it lives. I don't live, he doesn't live. Have. I have a son. He is my son. I have, you have, they have. He has, she has, it has. I don't have, he doesn't have. Work. I work, you work, they work. He works, she works, it works. I don't work, he doesn't work. Visit. I visit, you visit, they visit. He visits, she visits, it visits. Do, does. Do I, do you, do we, do they? Does he, does she, does it? Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Look, listen, repeat. Liz.
Hello, I'm Liz. I'm 45 years old. I'm married. My husband Ted is a vet. We live in an old farmhouse with our 4 dogs. I'm a nurse. I work at a local surgery in Sutton. Ted is a country vet. He works with large, medium and small animals.
Questions and answers. How old is Liz? Liz is 45 years old. What does Liz do? She is a nurse. Is she married? Yes, she is. Her husband is a vet. Do they live in a flat? No, they live in a farmhouse. Do they have children? No, they have 4 dogs. Where does Liz work? She works in a surgery. Does Ted work with small animals? Yes, he works with small, medium, and large animals. Eloise.
Hello. I'm Eloise. I'm 31 years old. I'm a French language teacher
at a British boarding school in London.
I live in a townhouse near the school with a teacher. We are not married. We are housemates.
Questions and answers. How old is Eloise? She is 31 years old. What does Eloise do? She is a French language teacher. Where does she live? She lives in a townhouse. Is she married? No, she isn't. She is single. Does she have a housemate? Yes, she does. Giulio.
Hello. I'm Giulio. I'm 20 years old. I'm a student at Cambridge University. I don't work. I live in a small student flat. I'm not married. I'm single. Mother and father live in Rome. They visit Cambridge 2 or 3 times a year. They live in a block of flats in the city.
Questions and answers. How old is Giulio? He is 20 years old. Does Giulio work? No, he doesn't work. He is a student. Is Giulio married? No, he isn't. He is single. Does Giulio's mother and father live in Rome? Yes, they do. They live in Rome. Do they visit Cambridge? Yes, they visit 2 or 3 times a year. Does Giulio's parents live in a flat? Yes, they do. Does Giulio's parents live in Cambridge? No, they don't. Where do they live? They live in a block of flats in Rome. Kevin.
Hello. I'm Kevin. I'm a pilot. I work for an airline company. I'm 46 years old. I am married. I live in a bungalow with my wife and 2 children. My wife is 37 years old. My daughter is 3 and my son is 6 years old.
Questions and answers. Is Kevin married? Yes, he is. He is married. How old is Kevin? He is 46 years old. Does Kevin have children? Yes, he has a son and a daughter. How old is Kevin's son? He is 6 years old. Does Kevin live in a house? Yes, he lives in a bungalow. What does Kevin do? He works for an airline company. He is a pilot.